good evening to my viewers out there. And I don't have anyone yet in this live, but then hello to the 11 people watching me. And yes, I'm a little bit more tan today dahil naman I spent my day sa dagat. That's because I'm going to go back to Manila soon for the final round para kay Kuyas. You know, for the season's big winner. Kaya, yun, I spent the day in the ocean. But then, at the back of my head, alam naman na ang dami ko pang kailangan tapusin trabaho. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ko naman noon sa live ko na I actually not really gave, hindi naman, like, parang I entrusted my businesses to my mom muna, to my siblings. But then, I realized, oops, sorry, oopsie. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my phone. I realized there's a lot of things na pala that I have to also go back to or fix. Example, yung mga pag-audit sa aking businesses, kailangan ko pala sila ayusin at saka hindi ko yung pwede mabayaan. Kaya, yun, I actually have to do some more audits, which is something that I'm working on right now. Kaya nambibisi ako. And guys, by the way, I colored my hair, but then hindi pa siya tapos dahil tingnan nyo, hindi pa talaga yung roots naka-color. But then right now, my new color is parang may highlights siya ulit. Like, that's my hair color naman talaga when I first entered Kuya's house. And then, yun nga, hindi pa talaga ako nakapag-suklay. You know what? Kasi dito sa Katbalogan, hindi uso yung suklay-suklay. Parang okay lang naman hindi kahit hindi nakasuklay. At saka, straight naman siya kahit hindi siya nakasuklay. I use the same shampoo since I was in high school until now. And the same conditioner rin until now. Hindi ata ako hiyang sa ibang shampoo, but then this one, I really like it so much. Ano daw, sabi dito, sample ano? Shampoo reveal. Um, if you wanna know my shampoo, you can message me na lang in Instagram. I'm gonna check tonight for those people that will ask me my shampoo. Kasi, bawal ata i-reveal dito yung mga brands. But then, today, I'm gonna talk about what I did here in Catbalogan. I went to the derma para lang i-facial yung face ko kasi as you see, like what I said before, I am really particular about skincare at saka gusto ko clear skin, clear face na parang gusto ko sana malinis yung mukha ba, yung mukha ko. Kaya yung aking ginagawa, kung may time ako, pumupunta ako sa derma. If not, I would really wash my face every night. I make sure that I also shower and wash my hair para yung hair ko, I mean yung face ko, hindi siya magkaka-pimples. And by the way, we only have, well, marami naman siya, pero sana tumaas-taas pa siya. So please share this live. Currently, we have 159 people watching us, but hopefully there will be more. Baka sabihin niyo, "Hala, grabe si Isabel, gusto pa niya ng marami viewers." Of course, that's the goal, 'di ba? More viewers. So, if possible, let's have more viewers. Actually, guys, I watched some videos yung sa amin sa bahay ni Kuya. Super nakakatawa, like when we were ninjas. I don't know if you've seen that, but then I removed yung sa ulo ko, tapos I removed the mask. I did this, like, so funny. I don't know if hindi maintindihan niyo. Oh, Zach's mom is here. Hi, Tita Let. Good evening. I'm so sorry po na hindi pa po ako naka-visit sa Baler. But then, hopefully, around June, I'm actually currently still here in Catbalogan because I have a lot of things to finish. And when I get back to Manila, it's the start of my quarantine na po. Sakto lang. Kaya, I can't go anywhere anymore. Kaya, yun, I'll be there around June. And like what I told your son, I really, really, really love the ocean so much and I really do surf as well. Kaya nga, yun, I really wanna go to Baler. Hi, good evening, Tita Let. Okay, so today was a chill day for me. I spent the day in the ocean. I was swimming and I ate a lot. So goodbye diet. Instead of dieting, I actually ate a lot. Oh, thank you so much, but you don't really have to give gifts. Okay lang talaga. Okay lang kahit walang gift. Kasi babalik pa ako sa bahay ni kuya, so you don't have to. So it's really, really, really okay, no problem. But thank you so much for all the halo-halo, Claudia, Bell, BBS. But no problem, kahit no gift, watch my live lang. At saka continually share this live to all your friends, family members, in your social media accounts. That's more than enough for me. Hi, Miss Queen. I have a question. Hindi ko kasi 'to alam. Bakit sa side, may nag-a-appear minsan na parang Isabel's Enter the Live, eh, parang ang dami naman pumapasok sa live pero hindi ko naman nakikita, bakit gano'n? Like, bakit may mga particular people lang na nag-a-appear sa side na nalalagay parang meron talaga siyang notification. Oh, mga VIP. Oh, Prime. OMG. That's what I don't know pa kasi. I'm new here in TikTok. Guys, I don't know, like, is this better? I don't think so. I don't think that's better. But then I have a question. Is this better? Because I'm trying it out lang. Like, is it better like this? No, right? I look so tired. But how come it looks like I have no eyebrows? Like, I do have very thick eyebrows. Thank you so much. But you don't have to. House tour? No muna. Actually, we have guests right now. I mean, yeah, we have a guest. And we had a lot of visitors this morning, this afternoon. That's why we went boating with them. At saka yung dad ko at saka mom ko, naiwan pa kami ng kapatid ko. Akala nila we were not going with them or we're gonna take the jet ski. Eh, ang init kanina. Kaya we wanted to ride the boat and then the other boat was naka-up. Tapos, naiwan kami sa bahay. So, binalikan pa kami dito. Okay, guys, please share this live to all your friends, to all your family members, to all your visitors, to all your boyfriends, to all your girlfriends. Sana, sana mapansin mo yung sinend ko kung TikTok na IG mo request mo kagabi. Hari ng palusot. Hari ng palusot. Ano ibig sabihin mo? Sana mapansin mo yung sinend kong TikTok sa IG mo na ni-request mo. Hari ng palusot. I will watch TikTok videos right now. Hold on. Hold on. I will watch TikTok videos right now. Yung hari pa ng palusot. Makinig ka muna sa akin. Teka muna, wait. Magkasama lang kami. Pero di ko siya ka-date. Sa akin ay ngumiti siya. Di ko siya kilala. Ay, layabla. Nagla-lag daw ako. How about right now? Nagla-lag pa rin? Okay na. Oh, lag. I have to go out. Warning na yan. I'll go out. Makinig ka muna sa akin. Teka muna, wait. Magkasama lang kami. Pero di ko siya ka-date. Sa akin ay ngumiti siya. Di ko siya kilala. I'm lagging? Or okay na? Am I lagging? Cause I want... Oh, okay na. I will go out na. I'll stay in this room. I will show you my massage chair na color pink. For those people that wants to see my massage chair. Tada! It's color pink. And it's my favorite color. Not hot pink, but then I like color pink. I like my chair. This color. This color of my chair is pink rin. But my chair is right there. This is my chair. But then this is my massage chair. And it's pink. Pastel pink, yeah. Am I logging? Can you let me know? Because if we're gonna log, people will go out eh. No po. Okay. So, this is how I operate the massage chair. So basically, all you have to do is turn it on, then your feet will go up. Oops. It will go up, it will go up, it will go up. Then I will press 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my favorite. And then, ta-da! My feet is going up. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm resting. I'm in the massage chair right now. As you see, it's massaging my back and hi, Isa. Hi, Son, Veda, Rabbit, Zach, Rabbit ni Zach Global or ano ba to? Thank you. But okay lang kahit walang gift, no problem everyone. Hina po ng audio. Do I have to fix my audio? I can fix it actually. I have my AirPods here. Hold on. Oh, Robert Nizak. What's happening? You don't have to, it's okay. But thank you so much for dropping. Ouch! I stepped on something. I stepped on my massage. I don't know what happened. Oops. So you see, it's this one. Look at this. It's pink. You see this? Charan! It's color pink. It's so pretty pink, right? Yeah, it's my pink massage chair. Now, let's go back here. And then I will put you there muna para you can have a nice view of my face. Even if some of you don't want to see my face. But then thank you so much for watching my live. I really appreciate it so much. So I will talk about what will I talk about? What do you want me to talk about? Do you want me to talk about oh, yung Rahul Laurel, probably it's June daw. Hindi pa siya ngayon. Pero most likely, they message me it's around June. So I'm really looking forward to it. Miss Jess, thank you so much. But it's okay if kahit walang gift. Kasi, like what I said, I really hope that, of course, we wanna finish or we go back to Kuya's house. Diba? Ando na tayo eh. Kaya, I will really try to, if may mga palayaman si Kuya, I'll try my best na makuha siya. Kung hindi man nakin makuha, at least I tried my best. I'll try to connect to my audio. Whoa, why is it dirty? Oh my gosh. Right now, am I still lagging? Or did I just completely lag? Is it better now? Okay na ba ngayon? Okay na? Okay, I switched Wi-Fi. I'm so sorry, everyone. I was connected to the Wi-Fi downstairs, not upstairs pala. Okay lang ba yung phone ko ganyan? Or super slanted siya? Okay. I'm so sorry. I don't have my phone stand kasi right now. So, let me show you how I do my makeup. Mm, mm, Thank you. You don't have to, but thank you. There. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, sakto na sa head ko. Zach, well, rabbit. Rabbit ni Zach. Grabe, nakakahiya. Okay lang talaga. But thank you so much. Oh. It's actually cute. Like, like I like to put my head. Hi, Basti. Basti's here pala. Come up. Whoever wants to come up. Akyat, Basti. Blurred na ngayon? Balik ko sa Manila is on the 10th. There, I told you na. Blurred ka po. Okay na. Hindi pa. Blurred. Actually, hindi ko naintindihan. Blurred pa ba? Blurred or hindi? Okay. I think I have to go out talaga. Blurred. Okay na. Di, okay na. Di na po kayo blurred. Hindi na ako blurred. Am I still blurry, Basti?
No, okay lang kaya.
Okay. So how are you? It looks like you were out the
Fine.
whole day. Are you tired or are you
Pupunta ako. Hindi,
happy?
may debo akong pupuntahan ngayon.
Whose debut is it?
Ha? Noel.
You have a
Noel.
lot. Noel?
Yeah. Hindi mo kilala siguro. Hindi mo siya nakikilala.
How did you meet? You have a lot of friends pala dito sa Philippines?
Hindi. Nakilala ko din siya sa Kumu. In-invite kami.
Oh, wow.
Ni J. Rica.
What's her name? Noel?
Noel. Yeah, Noel.
Noel?
Yeah. Isabel.
Hi.
Hi.
Am I lagging?
No, hi. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm a little bit tired, a little bit cramming a lot of things because I have a lot of things to do before I get back to Manila. And I'm not yet done with them. So I'm currently working on them. Mm.
Can you rate
Kayo?
can you rate my outfit?
Rate your outfit. You're going to a debut? You're going to a debut, Jay?
What?
Why are you wearing t-shirt? It's not a formal
Because
event.
ano ako, Yes, nakapuntulog ako. Ano kasi,
Ah,
pinapawisan ako outside yung debo. And ayoko mag long sleeve, so t-shirt na lang.
who else are
It's
going to the
okay.
Cebu?
Kasi ang ang team ng ano medyo urban eh. So
Who else is going there? Who else will be there?
ibang celebrities na ng PBB.
Oh,
Celebration.
walang adult from us except for you and
Ay,
Basti.
ba't ganun? Ha?
Walang ibang adult na pupunta.
I don't know. Hindi ko alam.
Sige, alam ka na ba?
Hindi ko alam. Sila bang ibang ano?
Okay,
Ibang
ingat. Sige, see you there. I'll
adults?
call you na lang later. Sige, bye-bye.
Ha? No, adult edition.
For 2 minutes! Oh my gosh! 2
Oh,
minutes, let's
nawala
go!
ka.
Let's go, let's
Go,
go.
bro.
Ken.
Basti, live ba dito po?
Nella finestra, che cazzo ne so?
Dahil. Okay, miseria. Lalabas tayo.
Isa, I have to go. Bye-bye.